How to fix fitness app not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix fitness app not working on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, head over to your Apple ID. After you open up your Apple ID, what you'll need to do is head over to iCloud. Tap on iCloud, and after you tap on iCloud, there you'll see an option. Here you will find a see all button. Tap on it. After you tap on it, here you'll need to make sure that your fitness app is turned on. So I don't have the fitness app here, but you will find a fitness app written here. Make sure that you turn it on for a few seconds and simply turn it off if you want to. So also do the same for your health app. So you can open up your health app and turn this off and then turn it on again. So after you do that, you can then head back to your settings. Head back to your settings and then scroll down till you find an option called privacy and security. Tap on it. And after you're here, scroll down. After you scroll down for a bit, you'll find here an option called motion and fitness. You'll need to tap on motion and fitness and then make sure that health or fitness app is turned on right here. Now, after you turn on your health and fitness app, what you can do is then head back again. So after you've turned on two of those settings, what I want you guys to do is head over to general. After you're on your general, then head over to software update, iPhone storage. After you're here, all you have to do is search for the fitness app. So let's search for the fitness app and then offload the app. Tap on offload, and then after the offload is complete, reinstall the app. After you reinstall the app, your fitness app should be working just fine. And that's how you fix fitness app not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video.